Hello, my name is Amadou Drame, and this is my coursework one for advanced software development and framework. Um, the um, the component of this coursework will include the documenting of a full stack development that I created for Smart Insurance Company. And the functionality of my choice is insurance package purchase and tracking system. I created four models for it, which are categories, packages, user, order, and chart. And for the gang of four, I use factory method pattern, which is a creational pattern that use factory methods to deal with the problem of creating objects without having to specify the exact class of the object that will be created. And for the for the web API, I use Postman. Um, I'll use the user model for to demonstrate how I use Postman. So if I want to get all the user, I change this to get. So if I click on send, it will give me the list of all the users. Ahmad Chilin, Rasina, who else do I have? Charisma, and so on, Adebayo, and all the list. So if I wanted to create a new one, I have a template here. So instead of my name, Colin, my last name is Drame, so I'll just change it. And if I wanted to change something else, for example, the membership, instead of gold, I'll have a silver. So silver. So instead of get, I'll change this to um, post because I'm posting a new one. So instead of Amado Drama, let's change this to let's say Johnson. Let me create a new one. So if I change this to post and send, it will create a new one. As you can see, Boris Johnson, there you are. So if I go back to the list of all the users, I'll have Boris Johnson added as a new user. So if I wanted to, for example, let's see, edit a user, so I'll change it to put. So example, let's say Boris, instead of silver, I'll change it to gold. Boris was silver. So if we go here, we'll see that Boris has a membership of silver at the moment. So if I change this to put and send, it will what went wrong? Oh, I have to choose the user ID. So if I go back to get and get all the users, so I have to get the ID that I want to actually uh, update. So I have to get the ID and add it here so that it knows which ID I want to update. So I now, if I put and send, you see that Boris Johnson's what's it called again? His membership has been changed to gold. So if I wanted to delete this user, I'll just go to delete. And like before, I have to put the ID here as well. So if I send now, you see that the user is deleted. So if I do a get to get all the users again, I'll see that um, Boris is deleted from the list. So I can use categories to get all the categories. It will give me a list of all the categories. So if I wanted the products, which is the products are the packages that I create, because product is it package is it's a name that I cannot use because it's reserved for programming purposes. So you will see that I can see all the products. So if I do orders, I'll see all the purchases that the users have done. So to demonstrate the TTD, um, um, I have created a TTD process here. So if you can see, I create a simple to write a simple unit test describing an aspect of the program to run the test which should fail. So if I run right now this program, let's run a test and see. So nx yes. So there is no test at the moment. So um, well, I created some four tests here which should the page should have a heading, a subheading, a rated message, and list of packages. But because I haven't put it on the H1, H3, H5, and the div that I create, the program will you can see it on if you go on the page. The thing is, you can see that everything is there, but because I the testing, I didn't I write a test for it, so it's showing me four has failed. Um, so if I comment this and write the same code, but with the data test that I put on the test inspect, which is the data test to check whether uh, the heading, the subheading, it's on my page. So now if I save and run the test again, this time because I have written a data test which is looking for heading, subheading, related message, and packages, which I did on here, it should pass this time, the second time. So, and as you see before, I think I've done about is it about 14 or something like that test it on every Angular page that I did a test on it. So now you can see I have 16 passes here and 10 passes there. So that shows you that um, the testing is working. So now you have to refactor because now that's just to pass the test. It's not um, doing anything. So it's just to pass this test. Now to refactor the test. So let me write the same code again, but this time to get I'm trying to get the name of the packages from the backend instead this time. So now if I run uh, this code, it's the same code anyway. So now, but this now I'm trying to refactor it to get my final result. So now you can see that I get all the packages, alpha package, bravo package, and all package. So to demonstrate the my application. So if you go on the home page, this is well, actually we have a use an admin page. So an admin will create all the packages. So the admin can create the packages and stuff. So category, we at the moment we only have two categories. So if at all we wanted a third, for example, the company wanted to expand to have a third category, for example, a life insurance, you will just go here and say life insurance, and the user will add it on the list, and you'll see now they have a life insurance. So if I go on the home page and if I refresh this, there should be a no packages. Oh, that's a category. It's not a package. So this is package. It's a new package. So if I go back to the home page, I'll see the packages here. So there are two types of screen. So one is you can see them listed here from top to bottom. Or if you don't like that, then you can use the grid one. You can change it to use this one. So yeah. So if a user will browse and see if there is a package that they want. So you have alpha package, bravo package. So each of this so you have the package and the type. What type is it? Is it third party only? And what does it cover? It covers damage and insurance, and this it tells you the details. So and the user will read to see which package they actually want for themselves or their family. So if at all they want one of these package, they will just click on to buy um, package, which as you can see, the package has been added to your cart. You can buy only one package if you want, or you can buy multiple if you want more than one. So as you can see, that has been added to the cart. And if you go back to the what's it called again, to the admin, the admin will be able, which is not only the admin but the advisor as well, can able to see how many orders, which is the purchases, have been done at the moment. So at the moment there are only three purchases um, made by the users. So the admin will be able to see that and act on it. Or you can see the admin can also see the number of users on the system at the moment and their membership. So you can see that Amadou has a membership. Um, yeah, what's it? Um, yeah, so if the user wanted to change, for example, I think I've changed my last name, but I don't know why this is still coming as Amadou. No, no, I didn't change it. I create a one. This is new as Boris Johnson, so I didn't change it. So, but the admin can always update the user if there is a mistake or something like that. So now you can see that the admin has changes. Um, yeah, the dashboard. So if we go back to the home page, so you have home, which is showing you. So you have news, you have packages, which will show you the number of package I have at the moment. I think I have one, two, three, four, five, six. I don't know. And yeah, all this is automatically updated on the database as well. So if you go to the database, you'll see the number of packages that we have. Like I said, product is the same as package. So you see package alpha, package bravo, package charlie, and so on. The number of orders as you see. So I think we have only three orders at the moment, and the category, because I created a new one, life insurance. So it's there. So if at all the company wants to create a new category of insurance, because at the moment they only have two, so they can have a third one.